a stone and a pebble and a sand buried in the ocean. To the dead I got all out my head just to keep the holding and face the morning. So from the hollow of all those years I would have waited for you when I covered the missing and clouded living, praying for something to lose. Rusted
Neyse gidelim.
for the feeling my spirit had been severed through.
Buyurun, gezebilirsiniz. Artık sizin sayılır.
Nihal,
Nihal gitti.
You slide your shape around my senses like a silken feather floating home. Mosaic moondrops paint us naked when our scars align. We feel the earth's shaken glow. We're the stone to the pebbles to the sand in a jar of love. We're the soul, the foundations, and everything can fall around us. So from the hollow of all those years I would have waited for you when I covered the missing and clouded living, praying for something to lose. Resting, reaching deep for the feeling my spirit had been severed through. But in the second you came, I knew the last piece of me was, last piece of me was you. Last piece of me was you.